Okay, as I was traveling back to go back to the sales office, finished talking to the sales representative here, I stumbled upon this model home with the RV garage. I've seen them as far as the floor plan called the Deacon and sold one of those before, but I was like, let me check this one out because it's 1,800 square feet and stuff. And guys, I actually love it. It's so me. So I'm going to show you guys. So come on in. Let me show you to my future homes. Think it is what this is. So right this way is bedroom 1. And when you come back out, check out the floors. I love the floors. And here you have your bathroom with double vanity. And what I really love is that you have the shower and toilet separate. So if you have kids and stuff getting ready in the morning, one person could be at the sink and one person could be in the shower and they don't have to fuss and fight. Here's bedroom 2. Love it, love it, love it. I was like, this type of house is just my speed. I love the colors and everything because my favorite color is actually black. Might be dark, but hey, I love it. Okay, and I'm gonna keep on going, and I'm gonna show you this. This part I'm a little like, I don't kind of like the laundry room being right off of the kitchen, just in case the washer and dryer are loud. But let me show you this wonderful kitchen and great room. OMG, I love it. Love it. Look at the accent with black. I love it. Love it. And then look at the outdoor seating, and then the windows or the sliders open up so it gives you that outdoor indoor feel and stuff. Oh guys, I'm in heaven. Well, this is my heaven. Just to see it from that angle. And check this out, you guys are not gonna believe it. Let me show you the pantry. And some of you guys know I'm a foodie. Well, y'all know because I'm trying to try it Tuesday. I'm a foodie. Look how big and long that pantry is. The food and just dinners and stuff you can make in this house. And now let me show you the garage because it has the RV. Okay, I'm not gonna be in here too long. For one, there's too many boxes and now I can't see stuff. But there you go, the RV right there that you can put. And look how far it goes back. There they have a service door. And you can see. And I think he was telling me the base price on this was like $360, $380 or something like that. So yeah. Isn't that amazing? Love the quartz countertop. Love black faucet, black. I love it, love it, love it. So let me show you guys the master. Tell me what you guys think about this home. Do you love it as much as I do? Because if I had to build a house, it'd probably be a little bit bigger than this. But the design and everything, oh, it's just so me. Is this design you or somebody you know? Drop it in the comments below. Till the next video.